Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this might look a little not usual from my normal videos, but I forgot to film the intro. And I went out, got food, sat down and ate, and was like, oh my gosh, we gotta go film the beginning of the video. So I am showing you guys how I put on these extensions, lash extensions. Very easy, very affordable. I actually saw a TikTok of a girl explaining, I think it's her own brand of lashes, how she puts them on. So I used what I already had in my makeup collection and I put on some false lashes. I will leave mine down below, and this is going to be a voiceover because you know I got a new mic, so I have to try it out. But if you do want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump to the video. All right, you guys, so we are going to first curl our lashes. I wasn't really sure if I really wanted to curl my lashes. I just wanted to go straight into it. But we did follow the TikTok video instructions and got that eyelash curler and started curling our lashes. So I'm using the Bond, well, the Kiss Bond and Seal. So right now we're just pressing the Bond to the lower lashes. Usually what I would do is I would go in with it like it was mascara and just cover the whole lash, but that just made my lashes extremely sticky and we don't want that. So there was a certain method that she used to where she kind of used like certain numbers to, you know, outline how you want to lay down the extensions. So I will leave how I did it down below as well as the lash extensions that I used. But I did numbers, let's 10, 11, 11, 10, and 9. Because usually when you have false extensions, they're going to be numbered in some kind of way. So we're still going ahead and we're doing that, pressing everything in. This was actually a very quick process, and I am so thankful for that girl on TikTok who actually showed how she puts on her false lashes. So now we're going in with the Seal, and I'm going in with those tweezers. Of course, those were the tweezers from the Kiss lash extensions, like the kit. I think it's like 20 bucks at CVS or wherever, Walmart, Target. So we're gonna go in and we're just gonna go to each side and we're going to just go along and just press my lashes with the falsies, and that's it. And we have some cute little shots. I tried, but it just I looked goofy when I watched the video back, but hey, they're cute. So if you've made it this far, you have reached the end of that tutorial, and I really like how natural these lashes look. Sorry if I look like a nice little greasy mess, but I'm peeling and we have Aquaphor pretty much everywhere on the face right now, especially around my nose. But very easy, very simple tutorial. Didn't actually take me long. I would say just based on the footage, because I have already watched the footage, it may have taken me 20 or so minutes just to do it. But like I said, it's not really hard, very easy. If you want to see more how-tos, just let me know down below in the comments and just give this video a like, which lets me know that you guys actually do like it. So I'm going to put some other videos across the screen so you guys can, you know, binge watch all my other stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.